So you want to send people to different steps in your video ask. Logic lets you set rules so that you can send different people to different places in your video ask. There are a few ways to add logic, but before you do, you should know. You can only add logic to steps that are using a multiple choice, NPS, voice, or live call answer type. Okay, so first, you can add logic when adding a step. When adding a new step, either by clicking the plus sign or dragging and dropping, you'll get this pop-up if the step before it is one of these previously mentioned answer types. Here's where you can start building out your logic. So I'll set the logic for respondents who chose the first answer option. If you don't want to set any logic, just select all the answer options to send everyone to the next step. That's set. Now I'll do the same for the other two answer options. Easy. Now let's say you've already added all of your steps and you want to add logic after the fact. That brings me to method 2, drag and drop to add logic. Here we have all of our steps already set up. You can drag and drop the nodes from one step to the other and set up logic that way. Again, you'll see the pop-up so that you can choose which answers to direct to this step. Continue this way until you've set up your logic just how you want it. And if you need to make changes, you can add logic in question settings. You can always click on a step and navigate to the Logic tab. Here you can click an answer option and select exactly where to send people from the drop-down menu. And here's one last tip. If you add titles to your steps, you'll have a much easier time selecting the correct step when adding logic. And those are the basics of adding logic in VideoAsk. Check out our Help Center for more articles and videos on this topic.